Welcome back, everyone. Crypto Patrick here. I'm going to do you guys a Saturday broadcast here on the 17th of February, and I want to kind of show you guys a couple coins that I saw over here. And if you guys are new to this podcast right now, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, because I do news videos every day. I'm going to show you guys how to invest in some great coins coming up and make your own decisions. But let's all try to make some money together and get some crypto profits here. What's up? How you guys doing out there? We got one subscriber on. I'm going to wait till some more people get on here. I want to look at the market with you guys. We are now seeing the market rise to $508 billion right now, which is really, really healthy, guys. I just put a video up on this. There's a new coin that I just got tipped off on right now. I'm going to show you guys the market. We are at $508 billion. This is the highest it's been all week. We were at that 350 line of support to 450,000 for about a week straight. Let me show we're in the green right now for a lot of different coins. This is a really healthy market. We basically flatlined. If you guys look right here, there was a flat line for a little while, and now we've seen this huge growth, and we're starting to climb back up here on a mini bull run. Bitcoin slowly creeping up to that 11,000 mark, and if we hit back up, you guys, to Bitcoin has a lot of potential right now, because if you look right here. Let me just show you where we're going on this. More people join here. So, Bitcoin right now, guys, is almost at that 11,000 mark. I think it's going to reach, if you look where it's been, let me just show you where we'll go. So right here on that green level line, whenever we watch, make sure you guys look at the green level right here. We're at that 10,900 mark right there, if you guys can see that. Okay, and the next level of resistance where we'll hit would be right up here at that 11. Probably the 11,000. Here's 11,600 mark. I think that's where it's going to go next, right there. And once we hit there, guys, that's when we're going to start shooting back up to these all-time highs, where it hits the 12,900, and then we're going to go from there up to this next peak at the 14,119, and then from that peak we're going to go up all the way up here to the next level of resistance, which is going to be the 17th. Or actually 15. We got about a 15,000 one, but it'll go up to that 17,000, and then we're gonna go all the way up back to the all-time high, guys. This was on around, January. I think it was around December 15th. We saw $19,895,000. Bitcoin is definitely gonna get back to this all-time high. It only took 2 months to get there. If you guys look from November all the way up to December 17th. We saw $700 billion right here, guys. $700 billion. And with that jump, we saw the Chinese Lunar New Year, which we're in right now. It hit a lot of, fear. A lot of the media was spreading false, fear and FUD. And then we got these really low prices where Bitcoin hit that $6,000 mark right here, at 6,200. We saw the lowest Bitcoin ever, and all the whales started buying back up. And so now we're actually going right back up. We're on a little mini bull run right here, guys, and I think this is going to last until April, and I think April is when we're going to start seeing the all-time highs again. We're going to get back to that $1 trillion market cap. This is probably the best buying time ever. There's a lot of coins coming up right now. One coin I just got tipped off on right now. It's called Genesis Vision, and I just saw a video on it. You guys want to see what it's about right here? It's called Genesis Vision. This is the one I want to talk about today. I'm gonna go over the market on this live stream, and then I'm going to show you guys. Here's Genesis Vision. This coin is up 20% right now. Or look at 30%. This thing saw an all-time high of 40. I think it was $44 or $45. But what they're doing here is they're connecting investors. They're connecting brokers. They're basically connecting managers all as one. So everything that comes into cryptocurrency, if you guys don't have any financial experience, all the novices that come in here and all the newbies, they can go on this app and they can see crypto financial investors, and basically they can see that their trade history, how much they've made for other people. It's kind of a really good product. I think this one could be $250. It has a really low market cap. Look, it's only $4 million for our 4 million supply, 3 million in circulating supply. There's just a lot of good things to be said about it. Let me show you the website real quick. This might be one to check it out. Even though it's up right now, I think this one could be a $300 coin. This might shoot out the moon, guys. So this is Genesis Vision right here. This is why I wanted to come show you guys. I think this is a good coin for the future. And it's basically, it has this app right here where you can go on there and you get tokens and you get to see what people are doing. The first platform and the private trust management for built on blockchain technology with smart contracts. We combined exchanges, brokers, traders, investors, and decentralized the open, honest network. Yeah, I'm showing you Genesis Vision right now, you guys. Genesis Vision is a new coin, and I think this one can moon to Mars. So that's why I'm showing you right now. You know, I'm not getting paid to do any of this. I just saw this is like this is a really good utility. So I think when the market jumps back up in April, we might see a $250 one. We could probably like 10x. This could be like a 10x opportunity, maybe 20x. So that's why I'm showing you Genesis Vision right here. It's on CoinMarketCap. They sell it on Binance. But basically, they're combining exchanges, brokers, traders, investors, decentralizing an open, honest network. This is one to check out, guys. Check this one out yourselves and see what you think of it. They're building an entire business model with the market activity where you can basically connect different people with smart contracts, certification, audits, the whole world, all managers, all brokers, all financial instruments, all kind of, they have a good roadmap here. They're branded their own cryptocurrency. There's a lot going on. This has huge potential, huge potential. I think it's ranked 166 right now on CoinMarketCap. You know, and there's a, you know, at 45, it had a $45 all-time high. So managers, so listen, it's convenient and easy how it works. So manager tokens that are bought during investment can be sold externally on the exchange at any moment. Build your own investment strategies and make your own profits. So you can go on here and look at account managers, and you can basically, they're going to make financial decisions for you, and you can confirm it or reject. It's just kind of cool. Like, this is going to be really good for people that have no idea what cryptocurrency is and how to trade. We combine a cumulative experience for many years, in addition through the knowledge and trends that explain competitiveness in the market. So here's their kind of they have like a roadmap going on where they show everything. Because the limited tokens issue is not allowed, GPT will be determined by demand. So they're offering these tokens right now. They have a really good team behind it. This is Genesis Vision, guys. If you guys don't know what I'm looking at right here, I think this is a really good currency for the future to look at. Let me actually plug my phone in real quick because I want to show you guys where I think this could go, but this could possibly moonshot. So I would take a look at Genesis Vision if I were you guys. Let's look at where it's been. Okay, so it came out on like November, and it was like $1.70, and it's already went up to $42. And if you look back here where it is right now, it's at that like $24 mark. I think when the market jumps back up, this thing is going to hit an all-time high. We might even see, you know, at $2 trillion. This is a very good coin to watch right now, guys. Genesis Vision. So that's one thing I wanted to show you. Another thing I want to show you is I have a couple articles up right here. Let me just show you a couple things right here. Bitcoin. Okay, not that one. Let me pull it up real quick. Give me 1 second over here, guys. Okay, hold on one moment. But yeah, I think there's a lot going on with Genesis Vision. I think the market right now, we're actually seeing a lot going on it. Let me pull up the market for you guys. Okay, look at, we're at $503 billion. It was up earlier to 508. You know, I think we're just seeing a couple little changes here. Let's look at the 1 day. All right, so we're at $507 billion right here, guys. It's gone up exponentially. We're looking at a little mini bull run right here. I think we're going to keep going. My prediction is into April, we're going to see a mini bull run. We're going to see the all-time high prices again. So I want to try something for today. I have $2 worth of Bitcoin. You have $2 worth of Bitcoin. I want to turn it into 20. Okay, I don't even think you can use $2 on any exchange to buy anything. You need at least like, you know, even Bittrex and Binance, they all have minimum amounts. But if you're going to spend only $1, I would just go buy like, you know, some Ripple or something. Because I think Ripple is going to go to, we're gonna definitely see a huge spike in Ripple. There's like a lot going on in the market with Ripple right now. And I think that one is going to moon very soon. That's like the proof of use is going on with Western Union. We've seen just like multiple cases. Like, let me show you. I'll show you something on Ripple right now. I got an article up. Okay, so look right here, you guys. If you look on Cointelegraph, I always go on here and check out the market. But you can see the total crypto market is back over 500,000. We're looking at Bitcoin pushing 11K. Remember, the next line of resistance is 11,600. And this is a good time to get into cryptocurrency for anyone. I have way more, but I just want to see what I can do. If you're trying to go that small amounts in a day, you're not going to make any money. You need to literally hold. The people that are day trading right now aren't making a lot of money. It's the people that are holding for the long term, like Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash is up to 1,500%. You got to hold long term, because if you're trying to just day trade and make like a couple dollars here and there, it's going to be like, you're going to lose a lot of money. You probably lose that money just trying to send Bitcoin over to your wallet. So, I mean, that's not really profitable. So I'm not going to, I don't want to get into that. I don't think it's profitable. And Bitcoin is well over the 10,000 mark, currently trading at 10,000. Right now, we know it's like 11,000. It's almost 11,000 right now. And I think it could even hit during this live stream right now. A lot of people are saying Litecoin was a big scam, that huge fork happening. Litecoin fiat money service. We know that's Litecoin Cash is coming on up. Litecoin is around, it's been like $3 down today. If I look on the cryptocurrency market, like you can kind of see Litecoin is at, well, it's at 230. It hasn't really changed much. Bitcoin is now closing in on that $11,000 mark. I think we're going to hit that next level of resistance for Bitcoin. The market cap, this is going to go up, guys. We're going to see that up to $830 billion. I'm guessing by April. It took 2 months to get there last time. So, yeah, I'm hoping Ripple for 3 years minimum. Exactly. You shouldn't be buying Ripple and thinking you're going to get a Lamborghini right away. Like you should be holding Ripple for the long term, because we think, I firmly believe that Ripple, it was 0.006 when it first came out on the market, and a lot of people became millionaires off Ripple already. And it went to an all-time high of $3.80. So right now, Ripple, when the market cap gets back up to 130, we'll see Ripple at $4. We'll see it when it gets to $1 trillion. We're going to see a $5 to $8 Ripple. When this market cap gets to $2 trillion, there's a lot of experts predicting in 2018 that we're going to hit a $2 trillion market cap. Ripple is going to be a $10 to $15 currency. Ripple will moon, you guys. Ripple has a lot of things coming out for it right now. Like, I'll just show you something right now even. Western Union confirms they're testing it. Right here, look at it. Western Union confirms they're testing technology for money transfers. Are you pulling numbers from thin air? No, I'm not. I actually researched this a lot from the Winklevoss twins, the Cliff High report. I've researched it from numerous experts that are saying that in April, we are going to get back to the all-time highs again of an $830 billion market cap. I can show you where it is right now and why people are thinking this. And and one thing too, if you're new to my channel and you haven't been seeing what I'm talking about, the Chinese Lunar New Year has been happening. And what that means is we're in it right now. There's been a gradual climb, meaning it all began back in crypto. Basically, the cryptocurrency market goes down when the Chinese Lunar New Year first starts. So if you guys are new to this and you don't know what's happening, you have to remember, before the Chinese Lunar New Year starts, which is right after Christmas, we always see a lot of money. There's a huge amount of money, like 15% of the world's economy is taken out, and people are buying fiat presents over in China. And it's going to be ending on Wednesday. So when that ends, we're going to see money infused back in it. That's why our market cap is going up right now. You can see it. It all says it back here too. You can like read about this all over the place. You can see general rumblings in the second quarter, a boom in ICOs, a new wave of interest is coming, like a second wave of investors. And they're basically just saying like a huge correction is coming. The New Year's bubble, this Chinese New Year's bubble always happens, guys. A lot of people are new to investing, so they have no idea what's going on. I bought 600 worth today, and it's a good buy. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, because of April taxes, exactly. We're going to see April taxes. We're going to see the Lunar New Year like ending. There's going to be a lot happening, guys, in the next month or two. It took 2 months from November to January, guys, to hit that 700, to get up to $830 billion. It was a $700 billion rise. We're seeing the market cap go back up again. Bitcoin was down to $6,200. Now it's at, it's going towards that 11,600 mark right now. When Bitcoin gets up to that next level of resistance of 11,600, it's going to go to the next one, which is 12, and then 14, and then it's going to go to the 15, and then 16. And then once we hit that $1 market cap, which is going to happen, guys, there's a lot of experts predicting this, then we are going to literally see a huge rise. Right now, the Chinese Lunar New Year is going to end on Wednesday. We're in the Chinese Lunar New Year right now. That is a big factor for all the market corrections that we've seen right now. There's just there's a lot happening right now. Ripple, there's a lot of use cases with Ripple. Like, we think Ripple's going to go up right now. You know what? You should always buy Ripple on the dips. You should, if you would have bought Ripple a couple weeks ago when it was 67 cents, you would have profited huge. But I mean, you still can profit from Ripple, but like, you might want to look into other coins if you're trying to get like a 5-6x opportunity right now. I promote Bitcoin. I'm holding about $2,000 in Bitcoin. I'm holding 1,300 in Bitcoin Cash. I got about 500 in Ripple, and I think Ripple will, if it's $1.15 or $1, I think it's $1.15 right now. We'll kind of take a look at it. Let me take a look. So if you look at Ripple right now, it's still a number 3 currency. I think that Litecoin, you know, it's going to match its market cap of that $50,000 mark. Yeah, so we're at Ripple at 120 right now. Ripple, I think Ripple, when this market cap goes up, when this is 1 trillion, when this gets to 1 trillion, what it's going to do, guys, there's a lot of experts predicting that it's going to hit, you know, 1 trillion to $2 trillion by the end of 18. 1 trillion maybe at the end of April. You know, because the all-time high in April, the people are saying the all-time high is going to be 830 billion in April, which is going to take 2 more months. But if that happens, we're going to see Ripple, you know, 4x itself at 1 trillion. It's going to be a $5 currency. You know, if it gets up to that $2 trillion market cap, we'll see Ripple, you know, we'll see Ripple go to the moon. I think, especially with all these use cases coming out. You look at Western Union confirms they're using it. Western Union has been testing Ripple at blockchain settlements. The chief financial officer said on Bloomberg, they're basically saying that they confirm they're testing it. Western Union's testing it. MoneyGram. If you look at the CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, he's saying that they're using their money for money transfers, cross-border payments, the X-Rapid, the X-Current. They're looking at more. Payment processing settlements with different companies. I mean, there's just a lot going on. It rallied to it was 380. The all-time high for Ripple was 380. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. Make your own decisions. But my prediction is Ripple will hit $5 by April. We might even see, you know, if we hit that $1 trillion market cap, that means that Bitcoin's going to be about $25,000. And if we hit the if we get up to that $2 trillion mark and the Bitcoin dominance is still at 30%, I think it's at 36% right now. So if you guys look right here, so if this stayed at 36%, if this stayed at 30, like 33% where it's been, you know, it's been as high as 70. I don't think it's going to go back there. And the market cap was at $2 trillion. Then we would see Bitcoin at $666 billion. That would make it 60 plus K, a $60,000 Bitcoin. That means Ripple would come along for the ride, guys. We would see a $10 Ripple at 2 trillion easily. I mean, we would easily see a $10 Ripple if this thing goes up to 2 trillion, which a lot of experts are predicting it's going to do by the end of the year. Well, do I predict Ripple's a good buy right now? Yeah, it definitely could be. It depends on how much you want to make. You know, do you think it's going to, if it hits $5, that could be a 4x opportunity in a couple months. Are you willing to hold long term? Are you trying to day trade and just make a little bit? You know, it just depends what you want to do. I'm hanging in there with Kraken. Yeah, the CEO of Kraken said it too, actually. I'll wait a few hours because it usually goes. Where can I buy Ripple? Buy it on Bittrex. Bittrex is a good spot. And then if you hold for long term, yeah, hold for long term, guys. I mean, that's the way you're going to make money. And if you want to also make money, you know, are you guys all entrepreneurs out there? Do you guys work jobs? Like, are you trying to make cryptocurrency? Are you trying to make cryptocurrency your main thing? Like, I mean, what I've been doing and my friend Sean is we actually promote Bitcoin mining companies, and you get paid in this daily, and then you can basically make it your business and do referrals. You can do videos like I'm doing, just like how I'm going live. You guys could be doing this too. We could all like kind of come up together and have a news channel. You know, that's why like I want to kind of get all you guys involved on my channel and start doing more stuff together. So if you guys add me on Facebook, I just made a Twitter too. I don't know if you guys are on Facebook, but you should add me. I have 1,000 XRP, 500 XLM. Yeah, that's good, man. Stellar is not too bad either right now. So we're taking a look at that. That's kind of like all these coins, like Ripple, even Litecoin, like everything are in Bitcoin, Ethereum. They're testing out a Lightning network right now for themselves. Like basically, they're trying to they want to have this insurance policy for Bitcoin. So in case the Lightning network works really good on Bitcoin, they want to have it for their coins too, so they can scale up just in case their coins don't scale up. So there's a lot going on with these top utility coins right now. We got Litecoins coming out with LitePay. You're going to be able to pay anywhere with your Litecoin now. You know what I mean? Bitcoin is supposed to double every year from here on out. This is a huge time to be in cryptocurrency, guys. This is still the beginning. We're going to see a lot. Here, I'll show you my Twitter right now. Let me see. What do you guys think about Litecoin currently? I think Litecoin's going to go to $1,000. That's what I think in 2018. Okay, so look right here. I'll show you my Twitter. I'm going to show you my Facebook too because I want you guys to come on here. There's my channel. Okay, I just made this Twitter right here, CryptoPatrick1. If you want to find me, CryptoPatrick1. I'm going to start posting stuff on here. I just put market is back over 500 billion. I kind of just posted that right now. If you guys don't have me on Facebook, add me on Facebook. The link's in the description. It's Patrick McLeod right here. I post things all the time. There's me and my friend Sean right there. We talked about people how to market. If you don't know my friend Sean Logan, he's actually He's made almost $250,000. I live with him, and he is really really knowledgeable, guys. He even teaches people how to flip ICOs. Like he teaches people how to make money like all day on this stuff. Here's me and him working out earlier. We like work out all the time, and there's also like he does this thing called, I'll show you right now. Let me show you guys one thing over here. There's like a ICO flipping. Okay, here it is right here. So basically, he teaches people how to do these ICO flips. He's got an ICO training course that he promotes that people go and learn. And it's kind of like a school for ICOs that people go pay like, I think they pay like $1,000, but you're in it for life. And you are with like these people that have made like millions of dollars on ICOs, and they teach you all their tricks. So it's kind of, I learn a lot from him, you guys, and he's very, very knowledgeable. So, I mean, I do a lot of the news, but Sean is very good at building networks, teaching you how to make money online. And with cryptocurrency, in the last year, he's made almost $250,000. And if Bitcoin doubles, he'll be a millionaire. So, I mean, the things he's teaching, and I'm telling you guys, I'm learning from all these other people. So, we're not trying to bullshit anyone. We're trying to help everyone out. Life Apparel looks legit, man. Yeah, thanks, bro. And caution, should I buy more Litecoin today or tomorrow? Litecoin's up right now. Remember, you guys always buy on the dips. What happens is, if you guys are wondering why the price to $6,000 for Bitcoin, and then all of a sudden it's going to shoot back up to like 60 grand, it's because the media, like these people that probably run the world, they tell the media stations that are all controlled by the same people, spread fear, cryptocurrency. And then the prices get down like super low. And then everyone comes and buys them. All these whales and people that, wanted to get into cryptocurrency come and buy up those prices when they get super low. And that's when all these other people that don't know what they're doing, they get out of the market. So you want to buy when it's dipping, like obviously Ripple can still do good. You can still 3-4x your money. If you guys are new to my channel and you want to see a coin that's coming up right now, check out this coin. I'm not getting paid to tell you, but Genesis Vision. Check out Genesis Vision, guys. It's on CoinMarketCap. I was just checking it out earlier. This coin connects, it had an all-time high of $40. It connects investors, brokers. It connects investors, brokers. They have an app where you can, where people will invest in cryptocurrency for you, and you can see their history. And basically, you can, if they've been doing really good on their trades, you can be like, okay, I want that guy to invest for me. So, I mean, we can probably make a lot of money off Genesis Vision. This coin will probably be a $250 coin, like by the end of 2018, maybe even more. It could probably shoot out the freaking galaxy. It'll be farther than the moon. I think this is a coin in the future that can do really well, guys. So I would check this out. It has a really low supply. The utility is just super good. I kind of went over it a minute ago, but if you guys want to look at Genesis Vision, here's kind of what it is. It just basically is the next step in the financial market. They have this app right here that they're coming out with. It's the first platform with a private trust management market built on the blockchain technology. They basically connect exchanges, brokers, traders, investors in the cryptocurrency market with an honest market to make financial decisions for them. So that's this is what I'm going to show you guys right now. I think this one could do really well. If you follow me on Twitter, if you guys haven't seen it right now, I'm going to start tweeting more. Up on my Facebook. Let me show you my Facebook one more. I'm going to show you guys how to make money, dude. I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing and how we're making money. You guys want to know how I'm making money right now? I've made a lot of money through BitClub Network. I've been making like $200 payouts all the time, and I've been getting paid mining profits because BitClub Network is, they've been around for 3 years. And if you get into a mining program, it's better if you can start investing in ICOs and you have a bunch of money to invest. But in order to make money where you can be an entrepreneur, then you can, what up, crypto? What up, Capo? I need to get on the exchange. Interoperability is the next step in crypto, I think. Yeah, I'm going to check out interoperability right now, actually. I think that's cool. I only use Coinbase. Can you mine with a MacBook Pro? Okay, so mining is risky, guys. Like, it takes a lot of computer power. It's, you can get these little Litecoin miners that just came out, and you can start Litecoin if you wanted to do it. I just don't know if it's profitable. It's been way more profitable for me to join BitClub Network and start promoting, start doing a business. That's why I make these videos. I give people value, and I can show you guys a free video editor if you want to start doing news videos too. And you guys can all join our network, and we can start doing, we can start making videos together and be entrepreneurs. If any of you guys want to do that, hit me up on Facebook, and I'll show you. And we'll start doing business together. I'm setting up a rig. It might not be profitable in the long run, but hey, dude, go for it, Capo. Let me know how it goes, bro. That's awesome. Do you have a video on the Litecoin fork? So the Litecoin fork is a scam, guys. Charlie Lee he basically came out and said, don't trust that. You know, it's not doing anything different than Litecoin. It's not these, it's not like Bitcoin Cash where it's actually making it faster. It's not, it's basically people are trying to steal your private keys. They want to get your private keys and they'll say, hey, this is Litecoin Cash. You're going to get 10 Litecoin Cashes for your one Litecoin. Here, put your private keys on this address, and then they're going to go steal all your Litecoins. Don't do that. Don't fall victim to that. If you guys are watching my channel right now, you guys, that you'll know better. Don't ever do that. You don't want to lose. Don't lose your crypto over something stupid. Okay, how to set up mining rig on? I will. I'm actually mining from BITCLUB network, so I'm not mining from my MacBook Pro because you remember it costs a lot of electricity. That's why they do it in Iceland. Genesis Mining, Hashflare, and BITCLUB network. BITCLUB network is the #1 for all the mining companies because if you look right here, check it out. I'll just show you guys. This is why a lot of people don't know this, and I always tell people about it all the time because there's cloud mining. There's if you join a program, it's just way easier to do it than trying to do it on your own because you'll be paying for it might not be profitable with electricity. Those things get like 100 degrees. They're like furnaces when you try to do it. Okay, watch this. All right, so this is hash rate distribution. You can just type it on Google. You can come to the Bitcoin hash rate distribution on blockchain.info. You click on it. You can see the biggest mining pools in the whole world. When you look on here, guys, you don't see Genesis Mining. You see BITCLUB network, 2%. That's why BITCLUB, all these other ones are just random ones, but people pool together. What they do is they pool together. So a lot of equipment solving the Bitcoin mining as it gets harder and harder to do. And when you're in a pool, you'll actually solve that problem way faster. You'll get you're constantly repurchasing into more equipment, and when you repurchase into more equipment, that means that you're going to solve that thing way easier, and you're going to get paid Bitcoin, like a lot more things. That's why I promote BITCLUB network. And if you guys want to get on there, there's a link in the description. I mean, make your own decisions though, but I think if you want to be an entrepreneur, it's the best way to make money in cryptocurrency, and then you can start investing in other coins. Because if you get paid in this daily, it's your business. You can make it your own business. It's way better. And let me show you guys one thing. Okay, I'm going to pull it up for you right now. Give me 1 second here. Okay, hold on, I'm just pulling something up. I'm going to show you the market too. We're going to go back over the market right now and look at what's going on. Okay, check this out. Okay, so with BITCLUB network, if you want to get in this, I'm just going to run through it real quick. If you're in the US, you have to register with an IP switcher called ANONYMOX with Google Chrome. But get yourself in a pool. It's $500. You pay with Bitcoin Cash. You can mine for 1,000 days, but you can repurchase from 0 to 100. What that means is you can basically repurchase and get more 1,000 days into other pools, and you can work your way up to this founder, and then you can start. You can basically it means you get more mining equipment. All those 1,000 days means you keep getting more mining shares. So for BITCLUB network, you can mine for life. With Hashflare and Genesis, you're only buying hash power. This company's way better, dude. And if you guys start signing people up, if you do videos like I do and start doing news videos, and I'll give you a free video editor if you guys want to learn how to do it. Hit me up on Facebook, and we can all be in a network together and start growing and making money off. You can just build a huge network, and you get paid in Bitcoin profits daily. Like that guy Sean I hang out with has made 22 Bitcoin from this program. He's a millionaire from fucking BITCLUB network. It's crazy. But yeah, this is why I promote it, guys. One of the most legit ones. You can go visit the facility. You can actually visit this facility in Iceland, and they hook up the equipment in your name, so you're mining for life as long as you repurchase. And they also do Ethereum and Zcash too. But BITCLUB network is probably the most legit company and highest paying out of any one you could possibly do. To me, that's a lot more profitable than trying to do it through my MacBook Pro, because that would just take a lot of computer power. All right, so yeah, hey, nice to meet you. Thank you for subbing. So what are you guys all up to today? What's the next level of support for Ethereum? It's like $1,000. Ethereum needs to go back to its $1,000 level. It's at 900 right now. Make a video on that. I'm gonna see what you guys are saying right now. I just signed up for BITCLUB network, and that's it. Okay, if you signed up for BITCLUB network, then you have to pay. If you're actually gonna start mining and build a network, you need in at this pool right here, this $500 pool. But remember, it's a $100 membership for life. So you need to pay with Bitcoin Cash, because they're basically the reason why Bitcoin Cash is up right now, guys, and it went up to $1,500 is because BITCLUB network said that they're only gonna take payments in the form of Bitcoin Cash, and they have 300,000 members. So all these people converted last week their Bitcoin into Bitcoin Cash for BITCLUB network. and they're actually paying all their people their profits. Like every time people make money on mining, or they make commissions from referrals, and like basically they're paying all their commissions in Bitcoin Cash. And we saw a huge spike in Bitcoin Cash, and that's why Bitcoin Cash went up so much this week, and it's probably going to continue to rise. It's still number 2. It's the number 2 currency. If you look at Exodus, if you guys don't have Exodus wallet, I recommend this wallet to you guys. It's the best wallet that you can have on here. I just downloaded this one not too long ago, but you can basically take your Bitcoin and convert it into whatever you want on Shapeshift. So if you wanted to get Bitcoin Cash, you could do it right on here. It's simple. We'll take a look at the market too right now. So that's it for the BITCLUB network. If you guys want to be an entrepreneur, I'll teach you guys how to do it and do what I do. Let's I kind of want to start a news channel, like going over all the cryptocurrency together, and then I can maybe have some of you guys on my channel, and then you guys can have your own channels and we can promote them together. We should, if you're watching these videos, you should start doing it too. And if you're promoting BITCLUB network, we can all start making money in cryptocurrency together. It's kind of like a no-brainer, What's that wallet? Is there fees? No, it's Exodus wallet. It's very, very low fees unless it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin fees are like $13 to send right now. Crypto, you have an Instagram. Yeah, I do have an Instagram. Can you hit me up on my Facebook? Hit me up on my Facebook and I'll send you a link. So I'm just going to hit, I'm going to send people just whoever wants my Instagram. So just hit me up on, let me show you my Facebook. Okay, here's my Facebook right here, guys. Add me if you're not on here. Patrick McLeod. We'll start talking. I got a bunch of friends on here. I use this mainly for just cryptocurrency. I post stuff all the time. There's my friend Sean. You know what I mean? We posting. He's got like 5,000 friends on here. This is the guy that's made like $1 million. We post all the time. I'm like active on Facebook. Hi Patrick, thanks for the channel. What's the ratio of Bitcoin to Litecoin do you think we should be holding? There's no special ratio. Just remember that if you're in the cryptocurrency race right now, if you're in the market, with this new second wave of investors coming up, you're going to make money. It doesn't matter what coin you in, as long as you're in a coin with a good utility, it does something useful. Like Ripple, let's see, Stellar, Neblio, Neo, I think Poet's good, Substratum, anything that's doing useful in the world. I just looked at a new coin that I showed you guys right now called Genesis Vision. This is Genesis Vision right here, and Genesis Vision, that coin had an all-time high of $45, and now it's $25. Yeah, it could be that could go to like $300-$400, maybe even higher, because you want to look for something with a good utility. They're connecting brokers, investors. Look for something that's going to be useful in the world. But as the market cap comes back up and we see this second bull run and a second wave of investors by April, more cash being infused, the Chinese Lunar New Year's ending, we're going to see this market rise, guys. It's going to rise huge. That's why we all should be making videos too. If you're promoting like BITCLUB network, you're going to be getting paid by mining. You're going to get paid by signups. You can do videos like I'm doing. We can have a news channel. Start doing what I do too, guys. Like copy what I'm doing. Let's all start doing the same thing together. And then we'll all be able to make money where we don't have to work a job, and we can make this our full-time passion, where we just get paid in cryptocurrency every day, and then we can take our profits and start investing into whatever coin we want. All right, crypto, can you consider setting up an ICO pools for your followers to get pre-sales and private sales? Yeah, we could start doing something like that. I actually do that right now I do that with BITCLUB network right now, and that's why I promote it. It's because it's been around for 3 years. It's like the highest paying. SC is coming down on ICOs, and SEC said they're going to do no harm to cryptocurrency. They're only going to come down on BitConnect like companies, where the guy's like, BitConnect, and they're just like scamming people. Remember, that's a lending program. Anything that's promising 1% daily is a scam. And you guys got to remember that always. I'm in the U.S. Nice. Okay, that's cool. What's up, Capo? How you guys all doing out there? Happy Saturday. I'm in Las Vegas right now. I'm about to drive to the beach. I'm going to go to Laguna Beach right now in Orange County just for fun, because that's where I'm from. And maybe I'll live stream at the beach down there, and I'll say what up to you guys. And I'm paying for it all with cryptocurrency. It's pretty funny. Like literally all my profits that I've been making lately are coming from cryptocurrency, which is pretty funny. So, like I make iPhone apps. So one thing you guys don't know about me is I've been making a video editing app for the iPhone where you can edit your movies. And I've been like my brother's like #1 in the world for rollerblading. We've been like pro rollerbladers for a long time. We have friends from all over the world. I currently live in Las Vegas, and I hang out with a lot of cryptocurrency investors that have like, some of my friends have like 700 million. Some of them have like 700 Bitcoin right now. Like this guy I met up with last night, So, I mean, I'm hanging out with all these people that are making a shit ton of money off cryptocurrency. So, you know, I try to tell people on my channel, don't get scared when the market's down, you know, buy on the dips and sell on the tips. That's one thing you guys got to remember. Don't get, you know, always remember that this is the beginning. You know, cryptocurrency just started, guys. It's the coins are just getting popular. We're seeing LitePay debit cards. We're going to see a lot more debit cards coming out where you can instantly exchange and pay for things. We're seeing Bittrex. You can use your credit card now to pay for coins. I mean, there's a lot happening right now. It's a good time to be in cryptocurrency. It's a great time to be in cryptocurrency. And if you guys follow Cliff High, it's like Cliff with one F. He's basically put out a WebBot report. He's been right a million times. He's saying that Bitcoin's going to go to 60 to 70 grand this year. I'm being conservative, saying that if it hits 60, it's going to go 30% down, and it's going to go to about $35,000 to $40,000 Bitcoin this year. And the Lightning Network is coming on up too, so that's pretty good. Okay, so if you try to sign up for BitClub and you're in the US, you have to use an IP switcher. It's called ANONYMOX for Google Chrome. I'll show you right now. It's super easy. It's like takes 2 seconds. But they just don't want to, like Coinbase. Basically, when you make a lot of Bitcoin, Coinbase is telling the government, hey, this guy made, you know, 20 Bitcoin, or, you know, he made over $20,000. So BitClub Network's not trying to deal with that. They've been around for a long time. They're not a US company. But I'll show you what I use right here. Okay, so this is the IP switcher. So it's super easy, and you only need to use this. You only need to use an IP switcher if you are signing up. Once you're signed up, you can log in the US or whatever without the IP switcher. But that's what it looks like there. That's a Google Chrome extension. And what it's called is, I'll just show you right now, ANONYMOX. That's what it's called right there, ANONYMOX. See, I don't like to go in here because all my, dude, I just get thousands of pop-ups when I open up Google Chrome. But it's an extension for Google Chrome, guys. You can kind of look at that. Yeah, so if you're in the US, make sure you use ANONYMOX if you're going to sign up for that. And remember too, what I want to tell you guys, if you want to do BitClub and you want to start getting paid, make sure you compound your earnings. And so if you get the founder package is like really good if you want to start mining Bitcoin. Get in that first pool. Just even if you get in the first pool, don't take your commissions out. Put it on 100%. Repurchasing, so you can accumulate more days, and you're going to work your way up to the founder position. And then if you guys want to start making videos and talking in front of the camera like I'm doing, then you can start promoting it and get paid from referrals too, and then make it a business. Why not get paid in this daily? You know, if you're into cryptocurrency, you know, it's a good idea. And then we can start investing. Then that's what I do. I take my profits and I invest in other coins like Ripple and Cardano. I do giveaways all the time. But that's it. Yeah, it's like super easy. So is there any coins that you guys want to talk about? I'm having random people suggesting I get into crypto. I think you're right about the second wave of investors. Yeah, the second wave of investors is coming, Brad. It's not just me. This is like top experts in the cryptocurrency community are saying this. The Winklevoss twins, Cliff High, the CEO of Kraken, Microsoft, Ellen DeGeneres show just had, there was an article on Ellen DeGeneres. She talked about Bitcoin for an hour or like 10 minutes yesterday on Ellen DeGeneres, saying it's the gold standard. It's like just like gold. So, I mean, there's a lot going on right now. I tried to buy when there's blood on the streets, even if there's blood on your own. I need a mentor. You should give me an email. Just hit me up on Facebook. If you guys are watching this right now, add me on Facebook. You know, it's super easy. My Facebook's, the link is in the description. Let's do it. I'm in the US. BitClub is not available in the US. It's available when you use that IP switcher, guys. That's what I do. That's what Sean does. That's what everyone in the US does that uses BitClub. Hi, Patrick. Thanks for the channel. What's the ratio of Bitcoin? Hold whatever you want. If you don't have Facebook, add me on Twitter. Crypto Patrick, and then if you don't have a Facebook, make a Facebook. You know, it's an easy place to promote, especially if you're going to start doing make it like this your business. Cliff and his webbot states the price ratio of Bitcoin will be 5-to-1 by the end of this year. If we get the moonshot and Bitcoin is 100K by December, as Cliff Price states, Litecoin will be 20K. Yep. So if that happens, then he's right. You know, I'm conservative, guys. I'm not trying to tell you Litecoin's going to be 20,000, but I will tell you I think Litecoin will be 1,000. And I will tell you, I think Bitcoin will be that 30 to 40,000 by the end of the year. I'm not going to say 60 to 70 like Cliff High. That guy's way smarter than me. He knows what's up. I'm just giving you my conservative number and, you know, hoping for that moonshot too, so we can all make a lot of money. You know, I want all you guys to make money watching this channel. I want everyone like watching this to learn about cryptos. You know, I want to show you new coins coming out that'll possibly moonshot. You know, I want to do live streams showing you how to Bitcoin mine and be involved with these referral programs that you can make a shit ton of money. You know, I want to do giveaways all the time, and I want to have you guys on my channel too. So if you guys start making videos, I want to have you as a guest on my channel. We can start doing live streams and kind of just talk about cryptocurrency and just make it fun. You know, make this like a really fun channel for everyone to watch. That's kind of my goal right now. And that's why I like to do, like in my life, I like to go hiking. I like to do adventures. You know, I constantly do adventures. And like, if I can like go anywhere in the world and meet up with you guys and start doing videos and show us all our crypto profits, like, you know, us hanging out at an EDM show or on the beach. You know, I like to go surfing a lot. We can all like show our videos of us being successful with cryptocurrency, and then we can get more mass adoption. You know, the more people seeing us doing good on crypto, the more people are going to be using cryptocurrency. So I mean, we need to definitely promote this wherever we go. We need to get a lot of people into crypto. We just had a guy open a business, getting people to set up, invest in crypto, not advice, but getting them set up. That's what's up. That's good. Crypto makes the world go round right now, guys. It's just a great way to make money. Make sure if you guys are into cryptocurrency that you're holding long term. Don't try to always day trade. You know, this couple bucks here and there is kind of just pointless. Try to hold coins that are going to do good for the long term. I think Ethereum will go to the moon. I think Ethereum's going to do pretty well. A lot of people say it won't scale, but it's at, what is it at, 900 right now? We can take a look. Let's take a look at it. Okay, hold on. Let me get off this one. Look at all these things I had to close up here. These are all just comments that just get fucking pop up over and over and over again. I can't even deal with them. Okay, so hold on one second here. Okay, this is an ICO sale. So Ethereum, if you guys want to look right here, we're at the 900. It found a little bit of stability at $1,000 a couple weeks ago, and then it went under. I think it's going to go back to the all-time highs. I mean, Ethereum is, you have to use it. If you use Ether Delta or if you use any of these exchanges that use Ethereum, look at what we've seen Ethereum at that 1,400 mark. Ethereum will go over 2,000, guys. When the market cap goes up to 2 trillion, which everyone's predicting, we'll probably see a $3,000 Ethereum. You know what I mean? And Ethereum, a lot of Ether Delta and all these exchanges, all these ICOs, they want you to use Ethereum to basically use to get into their coins, to get into their ICOs, to get into their to get their tokens. Ethereum's also coming out with a lot of video game ones, kind of like CryptoKitties. Like if you know Tron with Justin Sun, they have this little CryptoKitties thing but it's basically dogs that breed, and then you get paid out in it's just like CryptoKitties, but it's like they breed and they get paid token. You get paid a token and a Tron token, and now like an XRP and our TRX or whatever, and you basically they're going to do that same thing with Ethereum tokens now. There's a lot of like things coming. So Ethereum's not bad. It just might not scale in the future. You know, it might not be as good as like the future ones. I'm mining Dash. I've been mining Dash with Genesis for like, you know, a year. I made some good money off mining Dash. And but remember on Genesis mining, guys, they're all out of contracts. Mining LITECOIN. I did do a video on Powerhouse Network. I did a quick live stream, but I'm not sure if I'm too sold on it yet. I'm more sold on BITCLUB Network, so I don't know if I'm going to promote it yet. Dash is very interesting too. I've already had a quick setup for inexpensive micropayments. Yeah, Dash, I heard they might even there might even be some good news in the works with Dash coming up. So I mean that's good too. Yeah, 2 trillion this year, crypto and coffee. I got coffee too right here, bro. Yeah, Tron has Justin Sun, and he tweets all day long. So if you guys don't know who Justin Sun is, go follow his Twitter. I'll show you. He just spreads hype. He's talking about the Chinese Lunar New Year right now. I just looked at his Twitter like a minute ago. This is Justin Sun. Okay, this is my Twitter too. If you guys want to follow CryptoPatrick1. But basically, if you come look over here, this is the founder of Tron, and he's also backing a lot of other ones. And a lot of people are thinking that Alibaba is going to join Tron. And if that happens, we're going to see Tron moonshot to like $1 easily. Look, he's live streaming about the Chinese Lunar New Year. You can't really see it here, but all these things are in the way. I don't want to sit there and close them all. But yeah, like Tron has a lot of good info coming out. I also like to look at Brad Garlinghouse. I look at this guy's a lot. I'll show you all the people I follow. Charlie Lee. Brad Garlinghouse is a good guy to follow for the Ripple CEO. He's basically saying that blockchain is going to stay within the central banks are going to be involved. But he just really likes that because banks like him. You know, I think we can do without banks, even if, you know, that'd be a good idea too. But you know, I'm not opposed to making money. I'm not opposed to making money off Ripple, even if they deal with banks. We can make like, you know, say if you come in and you put like let's just say $1,000 into Ripple, and then at 5x's and you made $5,000 straight up. I mean, who cares if they're with the bank? You know, you made money off it. It doesn't matter. We're trying to make money and then invest in other currencies. You know, one currency doesn't matter. We need all the currencies matter. Okay, so if you look right here, here's Charlie Lee. He basically says my vision for the Segway Lightning networks. And you purchase Tron, Binance or Bittrex, or I think it's on Binance. Just go on Binance. That's like the super Binance coin. Okay, for all you guys not watching right now, and you want to know a coin to invest in the Binance coin. The Binance coin is gonna fucking moon. It's gonna go. It's the superstore of cryptocurrencies. Binance is the best exchange there is, dude. Like if you look, this coin is gonna do so good in the future, guys. Like this coin is gonna be worth a lot of money. Like let me just show you something. This is the coin to follow. This is definitely the coin to follow. Binance coin is $11 right now. This thing's going to go up to $100. I think so. I'm not a financial advisor, but I think Binance coin is going to be this superstore of cryptocurrencies. They have 190 cryptocurrencies on there. They're all really good utilities. They only put on the best. Binance coin is going to moonshot when the market cap goes up. Like take my word for it. That is a really good exchange. So I was kind of plagiarized, I think. It was kind of plagiarized. Binance cut and paste style. Tron had a white papers, didn't they? You know what? I don't know. How did we purchase Tron? Alibaba, Tron. Yeah, exactly. Tron's going to do really well. Ripple's going to do really well. Neo is going to do really well. Substratum is going to do well. What are some other good ones that I like? Poet is going to do well. Where, Binance coin is on the top of my list, guys. Binance coin is the top of my list. I'm going to buy up some Binance coin. I'm going to hope that thing's going to 9x, maybe 10x. I can even see Binance coin in 5 years, like 25xing. Long-term holds. Long-term holds. And, okay, so looking at the market, guys, we're at $514 billion. It went up. Look how much it went up. It went up almost $8 billion during this podcast, during this live stream. The trade volume's up too. Bitcoin dominance is still at that 36%. This is really good, guys. We're seeing a healthy market right now. Everything is up like 10, 15%. Or like, look at like 5%, 5%. We're seeing, we had that flat line that was going on, and now everything is starting to move on up again. This is good. This is really good for the whole market. Look at everything's going up. Ripple, 121. Ethereum, almost 1,000. Litecoin, still the same. Neo, 137. Neo was $90 last week. Stellar, 48 cents, not going very much. Tron, still at 5 cents. I think it's been hitting some lows. It hasn't really done a lot. I wish it would do more. Let's see the 24-hour change. This is what I like to look at too. So Verge has been doing pretty well, and QuantStamp has been a good one for the future. But yeah, guys, I would get yourselves in. If you guys want to start being an entrepreneur, get yourself some BITCLUB network, and I'll start showing you guys how to do referrals and do videos like I'm doing. I'll teach you. Like, hit me up on my Facebook. We can start working together, and we can start getting paid Bitcoin from mining daily, and we can start building networks because they have a huge binary system. The product is Bitcoin mining. They mine the most Bitcoin out of any program in existence. They mine more than Genesis, and Genesis is like all over YouTube. Like I get ads for Genesis like every day, and they don't even mine as much as Bitcoin or BITCLUB network. You're a firefighter. It doesn't look good, especially the billion-dollar company. I'm staying away. EOS, definitely good in my opinion. Yep. True, I think in the term wrote the white paper and didn't get proofread. Yeah, they probably did. Patrick, I really like what you got going. I got you on Twitter. I talked to you on there. Become a mentor. Yeah, I got you. I'll help you do exactly what I'm doing and exactly what my friend Sean's doing. You're hopeful. Either way, a few good projects, you can make good money. Yeah, exactly, man. Like I'll tell you what I do in life, guys. I'm trying to get paid in this daily so we can get paid cryptocurrency and build networks, and then we can take our money and invest in ICOs coming out and then just make a shit ton of money. Because when Ripple first came out, guys, it was 0.006. So Ripple was 0.006, and then it shot up to $3.80. A lot of people became millionaires off Ripple. My friend Sean that I have on the live streams, he told his friend to get into Ripple when it was 0.006. He made 10 grand off Ripple. His other friend made $1 million off Ripple. $1 million off Ripple. So, I mean, that's what you do. As long as you have money to invest, if you're starting getting paid in this, you can do live streams like me. We could all have a news channel together, and you guys can come on my channel, and we could start promoting. We could build a huge network and start getting paid daily in this, and then invest in these ICOs that are coming out. So I'm going to keep doing videos showing you ICOs that are coming out. I'm going to show you coins that I think are going to moonshot. I'm going to do live streams showing you how to be an entrepreneur and Bitcoin mine. You know, be the best version of yourself, guys. Like this, in this crypto market, this is the beginning. We're seeing the trend right now. You know, things are trendy for a while. Like EDM music's trendy right now for young kids. You know, like remember back when baggy pants were trendy a long time ago. Right now, cryptocurrency is trendy. This is the evolution of the monetary system right now. The banks are scared of it. They're not fighting it anymore because people are still converting into fiat money with BitPay and LitePay and, you know, the Centra card. But remember to always take profits. Yeah, and always take your profits. Nice. And I'm at 76 holding long term. I like to trade on Tron though. Yeah, so basically I'm in 90% in XRP. Do you think it makes sense to buy one LITECOIN or hold in 2018? Knowing a beginner question, very new. Make your own decisions, but LITECOIN has LitePay debit card that just came out. A lot of people are going to use LITECOIN now. I think LITECOIN is going to definitely go up to where Ripple is. I think it may overtake Ripple. That's my opinion. You know, don't quote me on that, but let me show you. I'll show you what I think is going to happen. I think LITECOIN, okay, LITECOIN is at $12 billion market cap right now, okay? If LITECOIN 4 or 5 X's, it's going to go where Ripple is to 50,000. I think it could go even more. You know, with more wide adoption. It's the silver standard of Bitcoin. It's $230 right now. It could easily hit $1,000 when this market cap goes up to $1 trillion or 1.5 to 2 trillion, which a lot of people are expecting right now. It could overtake Ripple, but Ripple might do very well too. But just remember, Ripple has a huge supply, guys, and they every time you use a Ripple, every time Ripple gets used, you lose a little bit of Ripple. So the supply will, you know, the supply will decrease. You know, I think Tron's having like a coin burn too, so they're trying to like decrease their supply a little bit too. But it's going to be really good for the future. So like the future, guys, we should be mining Bitcoin. We should be investing in ICOs. We should be watching the market very carefully and getting in and making really good educated decisions. And so, yeah, I hope everyone on my channel is, you know, can do exactly what I'm doing, you know, make videos, you know, get into these mining things, start promoting, make money on this so you get paid daily on it. And then you can use a BitPay debit card or a LitePay debit card, and you can use it as your regular money. And then you can just get paid in this and have it be your normal job, because this is the beginning of the trend right now. We're probably going to see cryptocurrency, a lot more people get involved as the market cap increases. It'll probably double every year from here on out. Exactly. Make educated decisions. Sorry, but what's your Twitter again? Okay, my Twitter is CryptoPatrick1. And I'm going to show you right now. I just have a lot of things up right now. Hold on, let me pull it. Okay, so here's my Twitter. I just made it. And I have a Facebook too. The link's in the description. I also have a link for BITCLUB Network, CryptoPatrick1. You know, I put adventures. I'm going to put videos on here. I just kind of said the market's up to 5 billion. You know, we're getting back up right now, guys. It's really good. We're in a healthy market. It's at $513 billion. I think it's going to keep rising. We're going to see this. Yeah, we're going to see this rise right now. So if you guys want to do what I do, make sure you guys get in BitClub. Make sure you start making videos. You know, do what I do. I'm going to teach you. Hit me up on Facebook. Let's start getting paid in crypto. And that's all I'm going to say right now. I'm going to get ready and drive to California. I'm going to FaceTime you guys, maybe at my friend's art show tonight, or maybe I'll FaceTime you guys at the beach tomorrow, and then we'll talk more cryptocurrency and we'll look at the market. But I'm going to FaceTime you from out in the wild, like just out in the wild, live stream, and then we'll talk more. Yeah, Bitcoin is the king. It won't let me DM on Twitter. You have to add me first. Add me on Twitter. So send me like a message, or I'll add you. Are you guys all doing good out there? Are you guys all optimistic about the market? Yeah, I'm gonna have you guys say what up to my friend Sean. He's made a million. He's almost gonna be a millionaire right now from cryptocurrency. Hey, Sean. Sean. All right, you guys are gonna see one of my friends right now. You're gonna see the crypto expert. Hey, Sean, can I come in? Okay, never mind. He's taking a nap, but we'll do it next time. But I want you guys all to make educated decisions out there. Get yourself in a mining contract. Invest in some good ICOs. Get ready for that second wave of investors. Bitcoin's going to hit the next level of resistance at 11,600. And then it's going to take about 2 months to get back up to where it was, guys. April. By the end of April, we should hit that $1 trillion market cap. I'm hoping. So I'll cross our fingers. Hope that happens, and we'll all make a lot of money. That's why we should be mining Bitcoin. That's why we should be making good decisions and buying when it's low. So that's all I got to say. Make sure you guys add me on Facebook. If you guys haven't yet, add me on Facebook. How much is Bitcoin max in 2018 price? We just went over this, Nicola, and it's basically 30 to 40,000 conservatively. Cliff High and the Winklevoss and the CEO of Kraken, the exchange, all say over $60,000, a $2 trillion market cap for the global market cap. That would be $666 billion of a market cap for Bitcoin at a 33% Bitcoin dominance. So just keep that in mind. That's the prediction. That's not my prediction. That's a lot of experts saying that. So I'll keep that in mind. I'm going to say if we hit that $1 trillion mark, it's going to go over the global market cap. If it goes over $1 trillion, we'll see a $25,000 Bitcoin, like straight up. It'll be 5,000 over the all-time high. So that's all I gotta say, guys. I'm gonna go. I gotta get driving right now, so I'm gonna end this in a minute. Add me back so you can DM me. I'll add you back. Add me on Facebook and add me on Twitter. And then remember, if you guys want to get in BitClub and you want to start doing what I do, let's start. I'm gonna start a news channel, and we're gonna do live streams every night. And I'm gonna have you guys on there too, and we're gonna start promoting. We're gonna get paid in this. We're gonna get every people signed up. We're gonna mine Bitcoin. We're gonna mine Litecoin. We're gonna start joining all these programs. Okay, here's my Facebook right here. I'll just show you. There's a link in the description, but if you don't click the link and you want to just see me, just pull it up. I will show you right here. Okay, this is my friend Sean. He's the guy that makes all the money. We just got done working out right now. We just put up a stupid picture, a shameless gym selfie. But this is it, Patrick McLeod. Just come find me on Facebook. There's the picture I have on here. You'll see these videos of us hanging out driving. I have tons of videos I post on here. You can see right here, we go live all the time from Facebook. We talk about the market, how to make like 10 grand a month. You know, I put funny pictures up here all the time too, guys. I show you what we're doing. I post my videos on here. I'll show you something I posted too that's kind of funny. I actually made a meme of Arnold Schwarzenegger on Bitcoin. Okay, watch this. You guys will laugh at this, I guarantee you. Okay, I made these two memes. Look at, he's got Bitcoin on there, Arnold Schwarzenegger. And then I made this one too. Look at, he's shooting the Bitcoin. Oh, get down, there's fiat money. And he's shooting them. So I do funny stuff with Bitcoin too. And then this is something that a lot of people think they get free Bitcoin, but you know, you have to invest. Being an investor is how you make money. There's like a little EDM show I went to a while back. We just post things all the time. So you guys follow me on there, and we'll do more stuff. Nice, Brody. Yeah, nice to meet you guys all too. I'm glad you guys are all on my channel. Much respect to all of you. I'm glad you're in cryptocurrency. You guys are all doing amazing by being in it right now. Just being in the race is a good thing to be in. All right, guys, have a good one right now. Much love. Thank you guys for being alive. Thank you for existing. And make sure you guys spread good vibes. Good crypto vibes. McLeod the Highlander, I'm going to cut off your head. There can be only one. All right, bye. Later, guys.